Judd Trump is one of the most exciting and dominant snooker players in professional snooker world. His natural ability and attacking playing style attracts more people to watch snooker and increased popularity all around the world in recent years. There is no other player who can beat Judd Trump in long potting game. If there were a long potting World Snooker Championship, he probably won it multiple times. First reason why he is so good in long potting is that he stays still during the shot. This is very important because if your body and head moves during the shot, it is impossible to be consistent potter, especially at the long distance potting. Second reason why he is so good at the long potting is that his cue is parallel with the table. This helps him to deliver cue on the straight line more consistently and play without unnecessary side, which makes potting more complicated. Third reason is that Judd Trump has decent contact point after the cue delivery. After the cue delivery, his chin is touching the cue, grip touches the chest. This makes his cue delivery repeatable and very consistent. It helps him to have good cue ball control because he aims and delivers cue at the same cue ball height. On the second part of Judd Trump's cue action analysis, you will see why he has such amazing cue power and break building. You will also see some strange parts in his cue action and how he overcomes his deficiencies. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.